Welcome to the future of luxury travel. What you see right now is not just a vehicle. It's a futuristic masterpiece by Mercedes. A motorhome designed for tomorrow, blending innovation, power, and luxury in one stunning package. For the next few movements, let's take a journey into the details, design, and imagination that make this concept motorhome a dream come true. First, let's talk about the design. Look at the bold shape, the futuristic body lines, and the aerodynamic structure. Unlike traditional motorhomes, this one doesn't just focus on function, it focuses on presence. The multiple wheels give it a powerful stance, ensuring stability and dominance on the road. Notice the Mercedes logo beautifully highlighted in gold, symbolizing prestige and class. The headlights are sharp and aggressive, giving the motorhome a spaceship-like appearance. It's as if the future has arrived early. The extra set of wheels is not only for design, it also represents strength, heavy-duty performance, and the ability to carry luxury with ease. Every detail screams modern engineering. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling 5-star hotel on wheels. Now imagine stepping inside. The futuristic Mercedes motorhome interior would be unlike anything else. Soft leather seats, reclining and massaging at the touch of a button. LED ambient lights that change color with your mood. A panoramic roof above, letting you gaze at the stars while you rest inside. The living space would feature a lounge area, a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances, and even a luxury bathroom. Every detail would be voice-controlled: lights, temperature, entertainment, and more. Think of it as a smart home, but mobile. The sleeping area would have a king-size bed with memory foam, ensuring comfort during long journeys. Imagine waking up inside this futuristic beauty, opening the blinds, and finding yourself parked near a mountain, a beach, or even a desert. Luxury travel at its peak. Mercedes is known for pushing boundaries, and this concept proves it. The motorhome could feature electric or hybrid technology, offering eco-friendly travel without compromising on power. Autonomous driving features would allow the vehicle to drive itself on highways. Advanced sensors, AI navigation, and safety systems would ensure a smooth journey. Imagine relaxing with your family, watching a movie, or enjoying dinner, while the motorhome safely takes you to your next destination. The dashboard would be digital, futuristic, and voice-assisted. A giant touchscreen would control everything from navigation to entertainment, making it simple, stylish, and efficient. This motorhome is not just a mode of transportation. It symbolizes a whole lifestyle. It represents the boundless freedom to travel to any destination without having to part with the comforts and luxuries that we are used to. Whether you're embarking on a thorough road trip across Europe, navigating the vast deserts of Dubai, or pitching your tent in the pristine mountains of Switzerland, this motorhome brings every journey to life as an unforgettable experience. It's ideal for individuals, celebrities, or even families who yearn for the best of both worlds, chasing adventures while still enjoying the comfort of home. Imagine finding yourself parked at a prestigious car show or a lavish luxury resort. It would not just be the talk of the town, it would indeed cause a scene. This is not merely about the transportation aspect, but it also serves as a bold statement about one's lifestyle and preferences. So what does this fascinating and futuristic Mercedes motorhome have to tell us? It highlights that the future of travel is definitely changing. People no longer stick merely to going from one point to another. They now want an enchanting experience. They crave comfort, opulence, sustainability, as well as cutting-edge technology, all merged into one incredible vehicle. Mercedes is presenting us with a brief glimpse of what the future holds. A vehicle that fuses innovation and imagination together seamlessly. A dream that truly inspires and motivates. A future where travel is not purely limited to the roads. It embraces the lifestyle and adventure that comes along with it. I would like to take a moment to thank you for accompanying me on this journey through the captivating world of futuristic motorhomes. If you found this video genuinely enjoyable, please feel free to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for even more fantastic content about the future of automobiles and luxury travel experiences.